Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's not directly related to beauty, but it's a key player in your kitchen's functionality, especially for those who love cooking and want sleek, modern upgrades. I'm talking about the Kohler K-22060-BL Graze Kitchen Sink Faucet in matte black, a semi-professional faucet designed to elevate your sink experience. Now let's talk about what this faucet brings to the table. This isn't your average faucet. The Kohler Graze is built with a 3-function pull-down spray head, giving you 3 different water settings: stream, sweep spray, and berrysoft spray. It's designed to cater to all your kitchen needs, whether you're washing vegetables, rinsing dishes, or even filling up pots. The beauty of this faucet is in its versatility and ease of use, thanks to the touch control feature that lets you switch between modes with just a tap. One of the standout features here is the Switch Gritch Grip spray head, which rotates in 90-degree increments, allowing you to adjust the direction of the spray head to fit your needs. This is fantastic for multitasking around the kitchen, ensuring you're not limited to one position or angle. It also comes with a finish-matched Easy Clean hose cover, which, as the name suggests, makes it a lot easier to maintain. I've been using this faucet for a while now, and let me tell you, installation was a breeze. It's a standard faucet setup, and it fit well into the existing plumbing without any issues. As for the functionality, the touch control spray settings are incredibly intuitive. The switch between spray modes is smooth, and I can really feel the difference between the settings. The berrysoft spray is gentle but effective, and I find it perfect for delicate produce. Strengths? First off, the design is gorgeous. The matte black finish looks sleek and modern, blending well with a variety of kitchen styles. And despite being a semi-professional design, the functionality feels very approachable for everyday use. The hose cover makes cleaning much easier than I expected, which is a big plus for busy kitchens. The rotation of the spray head is also super convenient. It allows for great flexibility without needing to constantly adjust the faucet's position. But no product is perfect. While the 3 spray options are great, I wish the stream function could have a bit more water pressure. It's decent, but for tasks like filling larger pots, it could be faster. Also, if you're used to a more traditional faucet, the touch control might take some time to get used to. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. When it comes to value for money, this faucet is definitely a premium option. The build quality is solid, and the features it offers make it stand out in the market. However, it's priced higher than your average kitchen faucet, so if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are definitely alternatives that may meet your basic needs without all the bells and whistles. Speaking of alternatives, if you're on the hunt for a more affordable option, there are several faucets that provide solid performance without the added features. However, none of them offer the same level of versatility and style that the Kohler Graze brings to the table. Now, when we talk about build quality and longevity, this faucet is built to last. Kohler is known for its durable, long-lasting products, and the Graze faucet doesn't disappoint in this regard. The materials feel premium, and I'm confident it will hold up well over time. The matte black finish also holds its integrity without showing water spots or fingerprints as much as other finishes do. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out to Kohler yet, but based on their reputation, they have a strong track record for helping customers with any issues. If you ever do run into trouble, you can expect quick and responsive service. Overall, the Kohler K-22060-BL Graze Kitchen Sink Faucet is a fantastic investment if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a faucet that combines functionality, design, and quality. If you love cooking, or just want a faucet that makes your everyday tasks easier, this product is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone looking for a semi-professional touch without breaking the bank on a commercial-grade option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty and home lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, the link to purchase this product can be found in the comments or description box below. If you've used the Kohler Graze faucet, Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.